Welcome, students. We are going to discuss the poem How to Tell the Wild Animals. In the previous class, we have discussed the various characteristics of Asian lion, Bengal tiger, then leopard, bear. Now we focus on other wild animals. How can we identify other wild animals? Though to distinguish beasts of prey, a novice might nonplus. The crocodile you always may tell from the henna. Thus, henna comes with merry smiles, crocodiles, but if they weep, they are crocodiles. Here, the poetess has tried to identify henna. She says that there is very less difference between crocodile and henna. Both are similar to each other. If someone is new in recognizing the wild animals, then he will be confused in making difference between crocodile and henna. The crocodile you may always tell from the henna. What is the difference you see? Hennas come with merry smiles. Henna always smiles, whereas crocodile always in tears. Okay, they weep. Crocodiles always weep. Both are dangerous animal. So novice here means someone new. Distinguish means differentiate. Nonplus here means confused. Be confused. Though to distinguish beasts of prey, novice might nonplus. Meaning is this: someone who is new in recognizing the animals, then he will be confused in making differences between the animals who used to hunt other animals for their food. Here, in this stanza, the poetess has given the example of henna and crocodile. Both are similar, both look like each other, but what is the difference? What is the basic difference between crocodile and henna is that hennas come with smiles, whereas crocodiles weep. Crocodiles are always in tears. Hennas come with merry smiles, crocodiles, but if they weep, they are crocodiles. So this is the basic difference between crocodiles and hennas. Hennas always smiles, whereas crocodiles always weeps. So यहाँ पे पोएट्स ने क्लियर किया कि अगर कोई नया है वाइल्ड एनिमल को रिकॉग्नाइज करने में, तो वो कंफ्यूज होगा हैना और क्रोकोडाइल के डिफ्रेंशिएट करने में, दोनों को डिफ्रेंशिएट करने में थोड़ी सी प्रॉब्लम आएगी। और यहाँ पे उन्होंने हैना को बताया कैरेक्टरिस्टिक क्या है। हैना हमेशा स्माइल करता हुआ आता है, जबकि क्रोकोडाइल क्या करता है, टीयर्स में होता है, वीप करता रहता है। सो दिस इज द वे वी कैन मेक डिफरेंस बिटवीन क्रोकोडाइल एंड हैना. Now we focus on the literary devices used in this stanza number 5. The rhyme scheme is same, that is ABABBCC. ABABCC. ABABCC is the rhyme scheme. ABABCC is followed. Prey may nonplus thus smiles crocodiles. Okay. Now come to alliteration. Alliteration, use of consonant sound N. Novice nonplus or novice might nonplus. In this line there is a figure of speech alliteration. Second, you see enjambment, continuation of sentence to the next line without using any punctuation mark. Though to distinguish beasts of prey, novice might nonplus. So here you will find enjambment. So here you see what are the figures of speech used in stanza number 5. Now we move towards next stanza number 6. The true chameleon is small, a lizard sort of thing. He has not any ears at all, and not a single wing. If there is nothing on the tree, it is the chameleon you see. So here in this stanza, the poetess has focused on the characteristics of chameleon. How can you identify chameleon? According to the poetess, the true chameleon is small in size, and it is a sort of lizard. Its appearance is just like a lizard. True chameleon doesn't have ears. He doesn't have single wing. If there is nothing on the tree, if you could not see anything on the tree, then it is the chameleon you see. Chameleon has a power to change its color according to the surface. That is the characteristic of chameleon. Chameleon can change its color according to the background. So here in this stanza, the poetess has focused on the characteristics of chameleon. Chameleon is small. It is a sort of lizard. It doesn't have ears. It doesn't have single wing. Further, poetess says that chameleon has the power to change its color according to the background. Further, she says that whenever you see nothing on the tree, then you must think that it should be lizard, because lizard it should be chameleon, because chameleon has the power to change its you can say its color according to the background. So this is the stanza number 6 here. यहाँ पे हम देख रहे हैं पोएटिस इस बात पे फोकस कर रही है कि चैमेलियन क्या कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स है। चैमेलियन स्मॉल होता है, एक तरह का ये लिजार्ड होता है, उसकी ईयर्स नहीं होती हैं, उसकी सिंगल विंग नहीं होती है, और चैमेलियन की ये खासियत है कि वो अपने कलर को बैकग्राउंड के अकॉर्डिंग जो है चेंज कर लेता है। पोएटिस का कहना है कि अगर पेड़ पे आपको कोई भी चीज़ दिख नहीं रही है तब समझ जाइए कि वहाँ पे क्या हो सकता है, चैमेलियन की होने की संभावना है। नाउ वी फोकस ऑन द लिटरेरी क्वालिटीज़ ऑफ दिस स्टैंजा। फर्स्ट राइम स्कीम इज द सेम, ए बी सी सी। फॉर एग्जाम्पल स्मॉल ऑल, देन यू सी थिंग विंग, tree see. Now alliteration is present in he has not. He has not any ears at all. He has, there is alliteration. Consonants, use of G sound. You see G sound, single wing. Single wing. So here you find consonants is also present in the line here. So that is the thing which we have discussed.